video, we're going to calculate this integral of x radical of x plus 1 dx. How are we going to be able to calculate this integral? I'm going to use the method of substitution. So let's write let u be x plus 1. As a result, x will be u minus 1. And if we differentiate this, dx will be du. Now, all what I have here, I'm going to go back to integral and substitute. So I'm going to have integral, instead of x, we're going to put y, I'm going to put y minus 1. Instead of a radical of x plus 1, I'm going to put y to the power 1 over 2, and instead of dx, du. Now I'm going to work with this integral by multiplying. I'm going to distribute that. So it's going to be u times u to the power 1 over 2 minus u to the power 1 over 2 du. And that's going to be u to the power u times u to the power 1 over 2. We're going to use laws of exponents here. That's u to the first power. So that's going to be u to the third 3 over 2 power, right? Minus u to the power 1 over 2 du. Now I'm going to do integral of each of them. So that's going to be equal with u 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1 minus u to the power 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c. So let's bring this up now so we have more space. So now we're going to continue calculating this. Now 3 over 2 plus 1, we can consider 1 as 2 over 2. So this is going to be u to the power 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 minus u to the power 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus c. Or we can flip it over. It's going to be 2 over 5 u to the power 5 minus 5 over 2 minus 2 over 3 to the power u times u to the power 3 over 2 plus c. Now, what can we do here? We can continue simplifying to give the simplest form. So we can factorize u to the power 3 over 2 and 2. As we see here, we have 2 and we have the power 5 over 2 and 3 over 2. So what I can do here, I can factorize 2 u to the power 3 over 2, and I'm going to have inside is going to be u to the power just u over 5, because 1 plus 3 over 2 is 5 over 2, minus 1 over 3, because I factorized 2 plus c. Now what I'm going to do? Now I'm going to substitute. Instead of y, I'm going to go back to x. So how much was y? Y was x plus 1. So I'm going to substitute here x plus 1 to the power 3 over 2, and then times x plus 1 over 5 minus 1 over 3 plus c. And if I calculate here this part right here inside the parentheses, that's going to be, so we can multiply here by 5, here by 5, and if we can multiply here by 3, so that's going to be 3x plus 3 minus 5 over 15. It's going to be this one if we find the common denominator. And in front is going to be the same, 2 times x plus 1 to the power 3 over 2 times, and that's plus c. So if we simplify that, and we put 15 in front, the final answer here is going to be 2 over 15 times x plus 1 to the power 3 over 2. And here we're going to have 3x minus 2 plus c. And that is the final answer. If you like my video, please subscribe, comment, or like, and watch for more video. Thank you.